hoodies.com. Once you're on our homepage, you can come and click on product catalog. This will redirect you onto our catalog for items that you can design yourself. So you'll see the different items that are there. So say for example, today we'll just start off with a simple t-shirt design. So you'll click on the choose product button. This ideally takes you to the product page where you're able to see what kind of t-shirts we offer. And then you have the different options if you want to customize the product, if you want to get a custom quote, and also to browse our templates. So today we'll deal with customizing the product. Down below, you're also able to see the variations, which essentially means how much it would cost if you order one item. This is a price if you have 2 or 3, 5 to 9. There's a little discount and that goes on. So the first thing you'll do, of course, is click on customize this product. This redirects you onto our design tool, and this is essentially how it looks. On your left side corner, you'll see some details. We have the product, the template, clip art, image, text, shape, etc. So under product, you're able to choose a product color. So if you want to use a different color, you just need to click on this and the color will automatically change depending on what you want. In this case, we'll stick with white, and you're also able to choose the quantity. So if you want one small t-shirt or maybe 5 small t-shirts, etc., you're just able to put that in here. And then we do have templates. So templates are basically pre-existing designs that you can use and change. If you're maybe designing something for yourself and you don't want to have to come up with a design from scratch, you can use an existing template and then maybe just tweak it a bit. So this is just an example, and of course you can move it around. If you want something a bit different, again, you can change the sizing. If it's a family thing or an event, you can have some ideas, or maybe it's just something cool and you want to add some details, or maybe you're working like on a logo for your company or a t-shirt for a group of you guys who are in school together. So essentially, basically, whatever you need, you can just choose or pick one simple design from here and then basically tweak it for what you want. So that's just one way to do it. Another option, so that's under templates, and now you can change it like NYC. This is pretty cool. So this is how it would appear, and you can basically use that. And then under clip arts, we also have just some little cute clip arts that you can use. Maybe you run a dog company or something and you want to do a t-shirt with that, or you can even use it just to create a cool graphic for yourself. We also have that as an option, so depending on what you want. And then we do have the option where you can upload a pre-existing image. So say for example you're working on your own logo or something. This is something we did a while ago, and you'll see if the resolution is low, it'll pick that up. But let's say I want to use our own logo, so you can see it'll pick it up, and I can essentially zoom in or out and place it wherever I'd like for printing. And you can also do this at the back. So if you want to have maybe your logo at the front and at the back, maybe smaller, you can upload your own design. There's also a text option, so if you just want to create your own text and maybe have something like in italics or something like that, there's that option. You can change the color here, and then you can type in what you'd like the t-shirt to say. So again, Printsap, and you can place it wherever you want. So there's that. And then we do have shapes. If you want to insert a shape, that's also possible. So basically you can customize the t-shirt as you'd want. Let's just go back to the front, and then you add layers. So in this case, since I want to maybe print out my logo, I'll just have it. I'll check on my placement to ensure that my placement is okay. I'll check the back just to see if I like it. I can see maybe I want to put it down, maybe I want to center it, but in this case I'll put it here. For the front, it could be that I want the logo to appear on the side of the t-shirt, so I could have it here. etc. So this is all depending on your own interest. So maybe I can work with this. Once you're happy with the design, you'll just click on add to cart and it'll redirect you to your cart page, and you can go on to checkout. So this essentially means now you've left the design tool and you're able to, yeah, basically ship your product or design something else. It's going to appear in your cart. Once you're properly redirected, you can choose whether you want to add other items. So as you can see, my t-shirt is here. I do have some other items which I can now remove for the sake of this, and remove this as well. So you'll see under my total, I'll have my t-shirt that we've just designed and the shipping cost. So once you're happy with this, if it's in Nairobi, you can just proceed to checkout, and we do deliver in 2 to 3 working days. Please do check us out, give it a try, and see, get your customized design today. Thank you.